Today on TT's Corner, we will be talking about Paris Olympics and Sonya Massey. We're going to start off with the sad story of Sonya Massey. Earlier this month in Springfield, Illinois, a 36-year-old black woman named Sonya Massey called 911 for help because she thought she heard someone in her yard. Unfortunately, that 911 call led to her demise. Two white officers from Sangamon County Sheriff Department, that includes 30-year-old Sean Grayson and his unidentified partner. Miss Massey met the officers at her front door, and although Officer Grayson was annoyed at her for taking so long to open the door, she graciously let them inside her home. Miss Massey had a pot of boiling water on the stove, to make tea before going to bed. One of the officers asked her to turn off the stove, and she complied. Officer Grayson said something to Miss Massey, and she responded, "I rebuke you in the name of Jesus." Officer Grayson took offense to those words and threatened to shoot her in the face. And in less than 30 seconds, he did the unforgivable act. To make matters worse, his partner, wanted to render aid to Miss Massey, and Officer Grayson nonchalantly said it was a kill shot and a waste of time. The officers called in and their superiors, and when they arrived, Officer Grayson was so callous and without empathy stated that Miss Massey was a crazy bitch who wanted to throw water on him. But thank goodness, Officer Grayson's partner had his body cam on, because Officer Grayson's own was turned off, and it captured that what Officer Grayson said was a complete lie. Instead, and in fact, he had killed Miss Massey in cold blood. Now, people all over the world is very upset since the release of the body cam video. There may be little hope. Yes, there may be a little hope, because Officer Grayson has since been indicted on 3 counts of first-degree murder and 1 count each of aggravated battery with a firearm and official misconduct. Sonya Massey family is in mourning, especially her 2 kids left without a mom. On Saturday, no, that's not true, on July 26th, Friday, July 26th, to add salt to the wound, Sean Grayson, future grandmother-in-law, Miss Brenda Butterfield, allegedly wrote a very despicable letter to the Muddy River News asking protesters why are they protesting. They should knock it off. Can't they see his family is hurting, especially his fiancée, because her wedding will not be able to keep in October. But the most egregious part in that letter is Miss Butterfield quoting the Bible, stating, "Judge not, lest ye be judged, and no man or woman is without sin." The audacity is so stomach churning to me. May Sonya Massey soul rest in peace. Whew, that's a tough one. Now to a better high note. On Friday, July 26, it was officially the 33rd staging of the Summer Olympic Games in Paris, France. Countries from across the world come together to show their best and compete to be number one and to win gold, silver, and bronze. The opening ceremony was the opportunity to show the world the athletes and their uniforms. I was so looking forward to see my fellow Jamaican men and women representing Team Jamaica. And I was very happy. I was happy to see them, but I have to be honest, I was a little disappointed with their uniforms, and I really think Puma could have done better. Maybe it's just me, but that's how I'm feeling. I love the Jamaican athletes' energy and their camaraderie. I am looking forward to see them medaling so Pat Cover can get to knock. Yes, we can't wait to see them. Yes, going on the podium. So that is all for now, guys. So please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, and God bless.